everyone, and welcome back to another CV Linens video. My name is Myra, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the fancy napkin fold, also known as a poinsettia napkin fold. Let's go ahead and get started. Transform your table into a showstop with this elegant floral napkin fold, perfect for weddings, parties, and special events. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Lay your napkin flat on a smooth surface. Step 2. Fold each corner into the center, forming a smaller square. Be sure to crease the edges for that crisp, polished look. Step 3. Repeat the same step. Bring each corner back into the center again. Step 4. Carefully flip your napkin over, keeping the folds secure. Step 5. Once more, fold each corner into the center. You'll now have a neat, compact square. Step 6. Here comes the magic. Hold the napkin at the center with one hand. With the other hand, reach underneath and gently pull out each flap from the folds. Watch as your napkin blossoms into a gorgeous floral shape. And just like that, you've created a beautiful poinsettia floral napkin fold that elevates any and every tablescape. For more event decor inspiration and high-quality linens, be sure to subscribe and shop CV Linens.